Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to install Hola VPN. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to install Hola VPN here, well, this one's going to be pretty easy. Now, the first thing that you need to remember here is you need to remember that you need to install or only install from official sources, like from Google Play Store. Now, in this case, you want to open up Google Play Store here, go to your search bar at the bottom section of your screen, go to the search at the very top, and just basically type in Hola VPN and just search for it. Now, you may need to scroll down a bit here until you see Hola VPN. Let's go and select that one and click on the install button. Now, once the installation has started, you want to go and just click on continue and just proceed with the installation. Let's go and click on skip for now. And from here, it's going to start the installation. You just need to wait for a few seconds. But once it's actually done, you can go and just hit on the open button here to see what's inside Hola VPN. And inside the app, you'll be able to start using the app itself. Let's go and click on block notifications for now. Now, from here, you need to agree to their terms of use. And from here, you have the Let's Get You Access. So from here, you want to go ahead and basically choose the app that you want to get access to. Like, for example, I want to choose like Firefox here. And from here, you could go and choose your location. Let's go and choose United States. And from here, as you can see, welcome to Hola. Let's go and click on the continue button here so that we could use it for free. And as you can see right now, connection request. Let's go and click on OK. And it should now be enabled. And as you can see, it's now running. Now, from here, if you want to go ahead and basically disable that, you can go and go back. As you can see in Firefox, I'm now protected, but let's go back to Hola VPN. Now, if you want to disconnect or disable that, click on the disconnect button, click on disconnect, and you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.